Preparing for Christmas. The air was crisp as Emily spent the afternoon decorating the house for Christmas. The Christmas tree sparkled with shimmering Christmas lights and decorations. Underneath the tree lay gifts for family and friends. Snow globes, cheerful Santa figures, nutcrackers, and other Christmas decorations brought warmth to every corner. A small manger stood quietly, waiting for Christmas Day. Outside, rows of lights decorated the house and trees. In the kitchen, the aroma of baking filled the air as shortbread, Christmas cake, and plum pudding cooled beside rows of gingerbread men. Finally, she decorated the dinner table with festive placemats and candles, ready to welcome the festive season's joy.